Today I found the culprit to my 986 knocking sound underneath the dash, like here. Is a knocking sound coming. And I found out it's the servo motor. You can check it by pushing this one. And then you hear nothing. Silence has, the sound has stopped. If I push it again, here it is. You can hear the sound. Very annoying. But I found out it was underneath the passenger side. If you go underneath and you look to the right, there is a very cool servo motor. It's difficult to show you guys, but next to this part, it's next to this box. You see this box with the screen? It's next to it. Difficult to do, but it's only held on with one bolt. And this is the culprit. And you can hear it.